What is up, guys? It's Cognac again, and today I will be doing a knobtail update video of what's been going on and how they're doing. So if you've been following me or seen my previous videos, I'm beginning to work with the Niferous species. So let's get started. Again, I have them in 16 quart tubs. I have this little rack that I put heat tape on the back, and I just going from there. So, all right, let's start with this one. This is Lucky right here, my male Niferous levis. Sorry, I woke you up, boy. But as you can see, he's really nice, solid red. Their tanks are pretty dirty because I haven't cleaned them, so forgive me for that. But this is my male right here. It's pretty nice. Really red coloring, which makes him so cool looking. There he is. He's doing fine. And next will be my female levis, which are the pair, and she is definitely way bigger than the male for sure. As you can see here, she has some pretty nice coloring, darker red. Very cool looking female here. She just laid me the third clutch of the year, but the first one here is fertile, and the first two were unfertile because I did not pair her with this guy over here. So going from there, I'll show you the egg in a bit. Alright, and this right here is my Wheelerite banded Wheelerite Niferous. My male right here. He's probably like 10 grams, I think. A little, maybe smaller, around 9 or 8. Pretty nice guy. Eating pretty good. This is Rush. And this is Big Mama. And this is Lucky right here. Well, I don't name my reptiles, but my little nephew does, so I just keep it that way. Alright, and here, there's 3 more tubs right here. Let me grab them out for you. Bear with me here. Alright, so alright, okay, these 3 tubs right here. My third one over here to the left would be my female banded Wheelerite Synthis. She looks pretty she looks gravid, so this will be her first year of breeding if parlayed on the year or so. Get a good color on her. Sorry, you can't see her that well. Yeah, she's a darker. The male is much more pink, and this female is a lot more darker. Yeah, I just have this egg container in here. She's been digging, so I don't know what maybe she's gravid. So there she is. And this one right here is my Usak winner right here. See this little fella? This is Scar. I named him Scar because the scar on his left eye. But this is my Niferous vertibilis. I can't even pronounce the name right actually, but this is him. Pretty grumpy guy right here actually. He's really small and really grumpy. So my USARK winner, US ARC winner from the Knobtail. And pretty cool guy here. Oh, how you doing? Don't want to squish you, sorry. And this guy right here is my male levis. Pretty nice coloring. Let me check get some light on him. There he is, little guy right here. Maybe like 2 months, 3 months around there. Very small guy. Very small fella right here. And yep, here he is. He's actually gained a lot more weight than the Verabellas, because this guy's he's a monster. He eats anything in his path. Come on. Yep. Alright, simple setup, 2 hides, one on the cool side, one on the hot side. And in here is my favorite, of course, is because he's an 10-gallon tank. No, I'm joking. This is my Amy, the beast of the beast. Let me get him out for you. There he is. There's no lighting, sorry. There he is. The beast is right here. How you doing, eh? How you doing, mate? There, let me give you a better shot. Oh, look, he looks pissed off. Say hello. Bark. 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 Bark, buddy. Bark, beast. I call him beast. He's super fat for a male. He's really fat. Oh, there he is. Better lighting. This is my male Niffer's Amy, one of the biggest species of knobtail geckos. So, that's just pretty much it. And as you all know, over here is my incubator. And definitely I got 2 eggs in here. So for my female Levis, Big Mama, and 60 days, I guess I'll do another update on these guys. But yep, that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you have more comments, questions, comments, like, subscribe. Definitely, I really glad, appreciate it, and yeah, thank you.